I'm Carol Berber, Mama Carol. I'm not a cook, I'm just a mom who loves to cook for her family. Tortillas are a part of every meal, so I've become an expert at creating innovative meals using our favorite ingredient, Mi Rancho tortillas. Welcome to Mama Carol's Kitchen. I have Justine Kelly here, the co-founder and executive chef of Sunbasket. So we're gonna make some smoky chicken tacos, correct?
Yes, with some black beans, lime, chili salsa, and cilantro and radishes. Should we get to work here?
Let's do it.
All right, this is one of our, what we call super speedy recipes.
All right.
We're trying to help our customers out by getting, dinners on the table as quick as possible. So this one is about a 15 to 20 minute
Perfect when
recipe.
you get home from work, right?
Yeah. And what I'm doing here is just drying out the chicken a little bit. It's one of our tricks that we do to get a good crisp skin. Water is not necessarily your friend.
Alrighty, so we're gonna season up this chicken with all the goodies.
Yeah, some salt. And then we're gonna do some pepper. And then all of our spice blend here. Kind of all the flavor you need.
Sure.
Just from the spices, so.
There's probably chili and all kinds of goodies in there. That
Paprika, garlic.
Perfect.
That's something too that's important, is to be organized in your kitchen. Have everything laid out as you're getting ready.
That's perfect. Tortillas are waiting to take on some of these great flavors. Sure, so you put a little olive oil in there?
I put a little olive oil in there.
Okay. Everybody always is in such a rush. It's nice to have a meal that you can make 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah. And you can do this as thin or as thick as you want.
I know we're going to make our beautiful tacos with Mi Rancho's organic corn tortillas, and hopefully all of America is tasting our tortillas in your baskets.
All of America is tasting. Tens of thousands of people across America every week.
That makes me so happy.
It's crazy.
It's fantastic. I'm glad it's a good partnership. And how much does the Sunbasket feed? How many? Is it a 2-person meal that we have today?
Yeah, this feeds 2.
Okay.
And we do for 2 and for 4.
Okay. People are changing the way they're eating, but they want to be healthy. They're still wanting to feed their family healthy meals.
Healthy meals.
So this organic corn tortilla that we're doing today in this recipe is a perfect way to make tacos, enchiladas, whatever you do.
We're gonna get our onions going.
Okay.
You can wipe out the pan. I actually like the flavor of the toasted spices in the pan myself. If your pan's a little dry, add a little more oil.
Perfect.
Add your onion. I would love to hear a little bit more about the history of
Mi Rancho.
Yes.
We were incorporated in 1939, so 2019 will be our 80th anniversary, making tortillas at the old Mi Rancho on 464 7th Street. And my husband's grandfather started it with his father. And then my husband worked there most all his life on summers and things. And we've just been making tortillas and this organic corn, because we make it special. It's a nixtamalization process.
What?
Nixtamalization, which is a process of cooking corn. You seep it, cook it, grind it, and make a fresh ground corn product. And that's what we make. And it takes a long time to make a great product like this, but the Berber family's been doing it for years, so they have it down. And it just makes for a real hearty tortilla and a real simple organic corn and water and lime.
It is the cleanest tortilla. So these onions have sauteed a little bit.
Okay.
We're gonna add our rinsed beans to that. And really just let them warm through. So if you want to go ahead and start on your master tortillery.
So this is the simple part for this recipe, just toasting up these great tortillas. They're gonna wait once those are sauteed, we'll put them in there. Having these over the open flame, but you can warm them on a hot plate, anything goes. So it's all about the tortillas, Justine.
They really are. I think I told you the reason that I sought you guys out was because these are the tortillas I've been using at home for years, long before Sunbasket.
I love to hear that. I'm glad you remembered us.
Yeah.
So there's your bean and onion mixture, perfect. I mean, this is a full meal. You really just need a taco because you have beans, you have everything you want.
Yeah, and oftentimes with tacos, I'm a big citrus person. Put the citrus in this, directly into the salsa.
A little radish.
Radish. All right. This part.
That looks wonderful.
It's gonna be a little messy, but who doesn't like a messy taco?
Get in there.
Cilantro?
Yeah. Perfect. That looks great. Thank you, Justine.
Thank you.
Let's toast to our smoky chicken tacos. Oh, yum. That is delicious. So much flavor. Thanks again, Justine. And remember, always cook with pure tortilla joy.